How to fix Minecraft multiplayer not working. So if you're facing this problem in your PC, what you can do is simply close this app. Now, in order to have your multiplayer access, simply head over to your Chrome and go to your Microsoft account that you are logged in. And after you sign into your Microsoft account, go to your info and there you'll find your account age. Now you need to make sure that you are of legal age, set that your age should be of 18 years old. After you set your info to 18 years old, then you can just save it and close it. Now go to the Xbox official site and log in your details. Log in the same account that you are playing Minecraft. Now after that, you will have this section, privacy. This is the home. And what you can do is go to Xbox and Windows 10 device online safety. After here, scroll down a bit and here you'll find you can join multiplayer games, and as you can see this setting is on block, so you are not able to play multiplayer due to this reason. So if you want to change that, tap on allow and now you will be able to join multiplayer games. After you tap on allow, tap on submit, and as you can see the settings preferences were successfully saved, and yeah, now you will have allowed. So in this way you can easily connect to multiplayer games. Now try opening the Minecraft, sign in, and you can enjoy playing multiplayer games. And that's it guys, thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this, then consider liking and subscribing to this channel. I'll see you in the next one.